4Bs, the top 10 most demand skills in 2024లో చెప్పేది ఏంటిదని అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఈజ్ జనరేటివ్ ఏఐ అనని, నెక్స్ట్ ఈజ్ ద డేటా స్కిల్స్, క్లౌడ్ కంప్యూటింగ్ అండ్ మిషన్ లెర్నింగ్ అని చెప్పినప్పటికీ టాప్ 31 మోస్ట్ డిమాండింగ్ స్కిల్స్ యూ కెన్ సీ కోడింగ్ అండ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఎన్హాన్స్మెంట్, అనలిస్ట్ అండ్ డేటా సైన్స్ అని చెప్పినప్పటికీ డేటా సైన్స్ కోర్సు చేసినప్పటికీ డిమాండ్ మార్కెట్లో ఉందని తెలుసుకున్నప్పటికీ కోర్స్ కంప్లీట్ అయిన తర్వాత మరి నాకెందుకు కాల్స్ రావట్లేవు is the mistake I have done. These details we try to discuss in this video. మీరు కనుక అలెక్స్ టెక్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఈ ఛానల్కి మొట్టమొదటిసారిగా వచ్చినట్లయితే మన ఛానల్లో డేటా అనాలిసిస్, మిషన్ లెర్నింగ్, డీప్ లెర్నింగ్, డేటా సైన్స్, జనరేటివ్ ఏఐ రిలేటెడ్ కంటెంట్ని తెలుగు అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మిక్స్లో మనం వీడియోస్ అనేది రెగ్యులర్గా పోస్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. మన ఛానల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి కంటెంట్ని లర్న్ చేసుకోవటం, లర్న్ చేసినటువంటి దాన్ని మానిటైజ్ అంటే జాబ్ ద్వారా ఎర్న్ చేయటం, ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేయటం అనుకున్నటువంటి వారు మన ఛానల్కి అనేటువంటిది లైక్ చేయండి మరియు కావలసిన వారికి షేర్ చేయండి. బిఫోర్ దట్ ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. వితౌట్ ఫర్దర్ డిలే నౌ లెట్ us జంప్ ఇన్. మన మెయిన్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ అనేది డేటా సైన్స్లో జాబ్ని ఎలా తెప్పించుకోవాలి. సో ఆల్రెడీ నేను డేటా సైన్స్ కోర్స్ అనేది కంప్లీట్ చేశాను. దానికి సంబంధించినటువంటి స్కిల్స్ అనేది నా దగ్గర ఉన్నాయి. మరి నాకు అనేటువంటిది జాబ్ కానీ కాల్స్ కానీ కాల్స్ వచ్చిన నేను ఇంటర్వ్యూని క్లియర్ చేయలేకపోతున్నా. అలాంటి వారికి మాత్రమే ఈ వీడియో. ద ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఈస్ ద ఇంటర్వ్యూ ప్రిపరేషన్. ద సెకండ్ వన్ విల్ బి ద జాబ్ హంటింగ్. Third one is getting the call and clearing the interview. Fourth one is the grabbing the offer. A goal without a plan is a wish. A goal without an action is a dream. So I try to conclude the success is equal to goal is important, plan is important, action is important, and time with a smart, specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, time bound. So these things we try to consider when we are going to get a job in an interview. Now let us move to the next. The level 1 interview will be containing the Python with an hoops, will be containing the SQL, statistics, machine learning. Daily we try to repeat revision to 1 to 2 hours based on the problem solving in the Python and SQL, and concepts we try to revise in statistics and machine learning. You can use the LeetCode or HackerRanker platform to practice Python, SQL, these two. It will try to take 1 to 2 hours per day. Now the level 2, which is the machine learning, where math, statistics, probability in the models it has been incorporated. Packages or modules scikit, pandas, seaborn, which is there in a Python. The models is a regression and classification, concepts math, statistics, probability, and you have seen the models regarding the regression and classification. We try to take the data set and explore all these things. We try to do it in a level 2. Level 2 mean round 2 in the interview process. Daily we try to allocate 1 to 2 hours to do this one. Even after this one I have learned the time series unsupervised learning. That details we try to keep it aside. As of now in level 2 regression and classification we try to focus. Now the level 3 is the deep learning, mathematics optimization. So where Python modules is Keras, PyTorch, OpenCV, NLTK. It is based on the classification and segmentation. So regarding the deep learning, again it has been divided into the images and text you are seeing on this image. So these things we try to be thoroughly prepared with these packages and with this concept. Daily it will try to require 1 or 2 hours to brush to be in this one. Now the level 4, everybody is asking about the generative AI. The modules involved is the transformer, LangChain, LLM. And daily we try to read about this information, exercising and getting the details about this one is 1 to 2 hours. And this level 5 is more important. Projects, machine learning you need to do, generative AI 2 projects, deep learning is a 2 projects. Overall minimum 6 projects you need to do. You try to explain the overview, block diagram, modules, Python packages use, challenges face, GitHub code, UI, Flash, Streamlit, HTML, CSS. So all these things you need to put it in a GitHub to showcase this project. And revision of these projects you try to require 1 to 2 hours. The most important one be the level 6, that is nothing but your resume, cover letter, portfolio website and GitHub, lead code and hacker rank and Kaggle, job search mean Google portal, job portal, LinkedIn, startup companies, reference. It could be you are a fresher or experienced person, or you are doing a transition from one domain to other, from platform to a data. So the transition can be anything, but in this one, these 3 categories it has been involved. Apart from that one, is there any career gap that you need to take care about by yourself? The last but not least, these are the important things I want to bring to you. Interview is nothing but the showcasing your skills that you are going to solve the company or customer problem. Interview means showcasing your skill. Second one is problem solving of customer. You are solving the customer or company problem. This is the tagline you need to remember. It is our duty to find the opportunity after learning the skill. Just by have learned the data science skills, is it over? No. You need to find the opportunity and you must sell that skill to those who are in needy. That could be the company or the customer. So this is also, it is our responsibility. You must know how to grab attention of a hiring manager to receive the call. The most important thing is not only receiving the call, you must be in a position to clear the interview. What value you are bringing to the table, what benefits you are bringing into the table means you must have business mindset. Nothing is free. It will take a time, it will take an effort, it will try to take it as a focus. As we discussed in the previous videos, data science is data analyst, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI. All this one with a project, if we are putting, it will try to take more than 6 months. And after that one, doing the projects and revising, finding the company, it will add on, will try to take it 3 to 6 months. Overall, this data science is a 1 year. Typical duration for a data science is 1 year, where the 3 main thing it has to be established. One is a machine learning, second one is the deep learning, third one is generative AI, and apart from that one, you should be expert in a Python and SQL. And front-end related designs, Flash, Streamlit, HTML, CSS. So with this one, I try to conclude these things you need to take into your account in order to land up in the job. Thank you very much. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section. I am putting a lot of an effort to make this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.